What's up, you guys? Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Today's makeup creation, we are bringing to life Murdoc from the Gorillaz. Last year I did 2D and it was surprisingly very popular, so I figured I would dive right back into the Gorillaz and bring to life Murdoc. So for his skin color, I'm actually just messing around with a few colors, and I actually ended up using the monster wheel from Ben Nye, this Frankenstein green color. And then I'm going to also use part of the Makeup Forever Flash palette to put on the highlighted areas, and that's more of a lime green tone. Now, to get the correct shapes of Murdoc's face, I'm going to be carving them out with an eyeshadow from a Morphe palette, and I'm reshaping the entire nose to follow his actual bone structure. Keep looking at a reference picture to get an idea of what his nose looks like. He's got a very large hump in the middle and then a very large bump at the bottom, and it's a very wide situation happening. Alright, now he's also got these nasal labial folds because he's got that devilish smile, so go ahead and blend that out with your natural smile. For his eyes, they are always this bloodshot red color, so I'm going to be using just a red eyeshadow and put it all over my eyelids and blend it out a bit. We're also going to go deeper with this eyeshadow color, but we also need to put in some contacts, so we'll come back to that. For the mouth, the Gorillaz have this very pronounced lip line. They basically don't have an upper lip, but they have extended corners of the mouth. So with a dark eyeshadow, I'm extending the corners of the mouth and keeping the bottom lip as it is. Now Murdoc has a bit of stubble, so with a pencil brush, I'm just going to dip into a black eyeshadow and give myself a little bit of a mustache and a butt chin. Alright, back to the eyes. I've popped in these red contacts, and I'm going to deepen the red color on our eyes and also give us some, what would you call that? Eye bags, I guess. That's just with the black eyeshadow as well, to just make him look a bit tired. Yeah, there we go. Okay, anyway, the next step is the wig. So I have pre-styled it and cut it, but when it's on my head, it is a whole different story. I'm going to whip out the straightener and make sure that all the hair is going in the right direction. With the straightener, you need to remember that this is a synthetic wig, so the hairs could melt, so keep it at a lower setting. Curl the bangs inward, and then also make sure that the sideburns are not too fluffy. Okay, now for this cape, I just sewed two pieces of fabric together, and I bought this skull at Michael's, which is a craft store here. It was part of their Halloween collection. I don't know what they're actually used for. But anyway, I've popped in these sharp dentures on my teeth, and I also need to paint my hand green to match my face. And that's about it, you guys. Get yourself a cigarette, pat down your wig, and you are now Murdoc from the Gorillaz. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another day of 31 Days of Halloween. Bye-bye.